Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to read an amazing story. Are you excited, kids?
Yes, Mom, I'm excited.
Okay, so let's get started. Today's story name is The Moon Who Lost Its Glow.
High above the world, a gentle moon named Ayla hung in the sky. She had a beautiful soft glow that lit up the night.
But one night, Ayla felt a little bit sad. Her bright glow began to fade, and the dark night grew very dark.
The little twinkling stars saw that Ayla was sad. Twinkle, twinkle, they sang, trying to cheer up her with their tiny lights.
But Ayla's heart was still heavy. Her glow was still gone, and the stars' twinkles were not quite enough.
Down on earth, the little children noticed the dark night. Where is the moon? They whispered.
A little girl started to sing a sweet lullaby. Soon all the children joined in, their voices making a beautiful song.
The song floated up, up, past the sleepy trees and quiet rooftops, all the way to Ayla.
The children's song was so full of love, it felt like a warm blanket. Ayla felt a little bit of her glow back.
She smiled and her glow grew brighter and brighter until it filled the whole sky once more.
The little stars danced with joy, and the children on earth snuggled into bed, happy to see their friend, the moon, shining so bright. Did you love the story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Awesome. Thank you for learning with us, friends. See you next time with some awesome stories ahead.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.